Namaste, my name is Suman Rai and I'm currently working in Abu Dhabi Etihad Airport Service Catering and in the Culinary, and the US40 is doing a great job. It's a great opportunity for us and compete from our workplace or the home. So this is a great opportunity for us to compete online.
So let's start to prepare my starter. At the end it will be like this, the plating. Let's start. These are the ingredients what I need it for, and I'm gonna cut the cucumber in brunette style for the salad, and the tomato as well as brunette style, and onion brunette style, because these three I need it for salad. Ginger chop, peel it nicely and chop for the choila, for the chicken. So garlic as well as, so spring onion and spread on the top. Later on I will show you. Chili, 4 spices. I don't have red chili, so I cut it as green chili. Tomatoes for the sauce. And my mise en place are ready to go now to prepare. This is papadum. So I'm gonna cut into half, into 2 pieces, and put on the salamander by radiation heat, so it will cook. And I'll make like a cone style, so I'm gonna stuff something inside the salad, which I'm gonna prepare now to present. And going to start to make the sauce. Add the oil, onion, garlic, ginger, saute properly, and the chili and tomatoes cooked until it's soft. Gently stir it and add some spices whatever we have going to use to make the sauce: salt, chili, cumin powder, and cook like this. So once all the masala and the tomatoes are cooked, put inside the blender and blend it nicely. Not fine, but a little bit chunk style, it's fine because it's Nepalese style. So now I'm going to cut the chicken breast into cubes and I'm going to grill it. So add some oil, nicely grill mark, cook it gently. So once it is cooked, I remove into separate container and making some salad: cucumber, tomatoes, onion, little bit pepper, lemon juice, mustard oil. Stir it nicely, gently, and our salad is ready to go. Now I'm gonna make the chicken chola. Add the chicken, onion, spring onion on it. The same bowl: spring onion, ginger, garlic, coriander, and the tomato sauce that one we make little bit, and mix it together. At the last, add some mustard oil little bit, and our chola is ready to go. Now skew it and put on the side for the plating like this, and each skewer 3 pieces. So for the appetizer it's fine. So that is the sauce, and this is the papadum and cucumber tomato salad. I'm gonna stuff in the papadum, and here we go, my plating start. Once the plating is done, I'm gonna show you the pictures and the video of the dish. Hope you like it, chefs, and thank you so much for giving this opportunity.
thanks to the Emirates Culinary Guild and the US Poultry for giving this opportunity to present our skill and knowledge to improve from our home on this pandemic. Hope you guys take care, enjoy. God bless you, everyone. Thank you, Emirates Culinary Guild, and thanks to my company for providing this opportunity for me. Thank you.